Late in the evening, she's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. And I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes and the wonder of your that you just don't realize how much I love you. In your eyes and the wonder of it all, but you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I've got an editat, so I'll give her the car keys. She held me to bed, and then I told her, as I turn on the lights, I see my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful.